Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.
Decent machinery centrifugal blowers optimize airflow in HVAC systems through precise engineering, high-efficiency impeller designs, and intelligent control systems. Our blowers ensure uniform air distribution, temperature regulation, and humidity control, enhancing the performance of HVAC systems. Customers benefit from improved energy efficiency, reduced operational costs, and enhanced indoor comfort. As a manufacturer and supplier, we provide high-performance blowers that optimize the efficiency and reliability of HVAC systems.
Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.